The trail doesn't end when the sun goes down, but if you're still relying on the weak factory lights, you're driving blind. Wake up your rig with the Weisen LED Matrix Series, engineered with heavy-duty die-cast aluminum and our signature 3-layer Amber DRL. This isn't just a basic light. It's pure aggression that completely transforms your front end before you even hit the switch. When conditions get tough, 6 dynamic modes give you infinite control. Instantly switch from piercing white spot beams for high-speed runs to a deep amber light that easily cuts through heavy dust and fog. Build your perfect setup. Available in 3.5, 5, and the massive 7-inch heavy artillery. And stop paying expensive shops for basic installs. This complete kit is 100% plug and play with the included premium DT wiring harness. Secure the brackets straight to your factory mounting points with 0 drilling and you're ready to roll in minutes. See the difference? Don't just light the trail. Vaporize the darkness. Whether it's freezing mud, deep water, or extreme impact, we survive it all. Own the night. Build your ultimate arsenal today at weisenparts.com.